Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I want to make just a real quick video let you about two pouches we picked up on the surplus market. Unfortunately, these are the only colors that we have because this was a surplus auction, but we picked up quite a few and I wanted to let you know about the sale we were having. So this first one here is a North American Rescue, a US made pouch. This is for the traction splint. Of course, we have an empty pouch here, but you could use this for a number of things. There's probably 100 different ways you could use this pouch. And so we have Molly on the back, so you can put this backpack, vest, whatever you want to, put it in your vehicle. Nothing in the middle to kind of help you organize things, but it could be a dump pouch, things like that. Put something larger in there. Kind of like the color of that. Of course, then we have this ACU pouch. I run a pouch very similar to this on one of my trauma kits for one of my vests. This is then, again, a US made pouch. You put two tourniquets here to get them quick, easy access. You have Molly on the back, so you can put this on a backpack, vest where you like to. Clip here, you know, unzip it. And so typically, you can see this, like I'll run like my pressure bandages here, compressed gauze, hemostatic gauges on this side. Over here it's got a pocket, so I'll run like chest seals, MPAs, pull compression needles, some other things. So this is a really cool pouch. There again, for the size, this could be another vehicle kit, things like that. You can stock it however you want to. So I'll put a link down below to the SkinnyMedic store if you'd like to purchase these, look at a few other items we have on sale. So I appreciate the support. You never know when you'll be the first responder, in the right gear and the right training.